Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. On today's video, we're gonna go over Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy coin, XCN, Avalanche, Avax, and Crowit knife, guys. But before we get into the charts, guys, let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. See what the day is looking like today. Looks like most of the top 100 crypto bubbles are green, so it's a very good day. Looks like it's the beginning. We're getting a little taste of the altcoin season. The question is, are we gonna go into the true altcoin season soon, or is Bitcoin gonna rally and break through 100,000 and probably higher, and make the Bitcoin dominance higher, and so it might not be altcoin season yet, but it might be. We'll have to wait and see what happens, guys. Let's see what the biggest gainers of the days are. Looks like Tron TRX is the biggest gainer in the top 100. It's up 74.8% for the day. It's usually a stable coin, but it's up today 74%. So that's why I'm thinking it might be the beginning stages of the true altcoin season. What else do we have up? We got HTX up 47.1% for the day. We got IOTA is up 33.5% for the day. EOS 33.1% for the day. We got Jasmy coins up 15.5% for the day. Virtual 22% for the day. So yeah, guys, everything's looking good. Most of the market is green. So yeah, a lot of altcoins are popping. So yeah, hopefully your favorite cryptocurrency you're invested in is popping. And if you don't see your coin running yet, guys, don't be chasing green candles, because usually once a project runs, if it gets a really big green candle, it'll probably retrace. If you go chasing a green candle, then the project you left will probably start running as soon as you sell out of it, and then you'll be losing both ways. So the Warren Buffett says that the transfer of wealth is from the impatient to the patient. So the name of the game is to be patient in the markets, guys, especially cryptocurrency, especially right now. 99% of the top 100 cryptocurrencies are going to run. Basically most cryptocurrencies are going to run, but you have to be patient. If you don't see your coin running yet, just be patient. Eventually it will run. I do see the cryptocurrency market rallying all the way up until like March 2025, and then we're gonna have a major correction. Although from here to March 2025, we are gonna see corrections on your favorite cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line, so do expect corrections, but they're gonna be minor corrections. It could be like on Bitcoin, be like 10% to 30% corrections. Your favorite cryptocurrency, it might be anywhere from like 30-40% correction, or even less. But yeah, nothing like major, like in a bear market, like 80-90% correction is going on right now, guys. So stay bullish in the market, guys. Right now is the time to be bullish. It's definitely not the time to be bearish, guys. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin is doing. So current price of Bitcoin right now at the time of recording is $95,790. looks like it's just going sideways. It's been going sideways for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this will be the 12th trading day. The Bitcoin is going sideways. Here in the U.S. it's December 3rd, December 3 in nighttime. But it's actually already started the December 4th trading days. It's already about 3 hours into December 4th trading day. So yeah, Bitcoin is just going sideways, guys. Like I've been saying in all my videos, I do believe Bitcoin is going to go sideways between 90K and 99K until it coils up and consolidates and goes up and breaks through 100,000. I don't think it's going to go lower than 90K though, guys. There's a lot of resistance. I mean, there's a lot of support here at 90K and below. Between like 87K and 90K, there's like a lot of support. And it's just not the time to be bearish, guys. We're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin. So I mean, like, I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin right now. Right now is not the time to be shorting Bitcoin or be bearish on Bitcoin. I do believe we are going to stay above 90K. And we'll just go sideways between 90K and 99K until we coil up enough, go sideways enough, and we're gonna break through 100K. And once 100K is a psychological level, so that's why I guess it's taking a while to break through 100K. There's a lot of sell orders at 100K, because people have been holding Bitcoin, since $15,000, or even since previous cycles. Bitcoin, people have been owning Bitcoin since it was like $1,000 or less. So those people want to take profits. I mean, that's like 100x for them. If they invested like a lot of whales, they invest like $1 million. So if they invest $1 million, that's like $100 million. If they cash out, if they bought in at 1,000, and if they put in $1 million at 1,000, and they sold at 100,000, that's like $100 million to them. So I mean, they're rich, and that's like plenty gains for them. They're not like common people like us. There's a lot of whales that invest in Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoins, there's a lot of liquidity in it, and it moves a lot slower than the altcoins. But it is going to move, and it is going to break through 100K, I think, here shortly. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know exactly when. I was expecting it to be above 100K by this trading day, by December 4th. But the day's not over, so it might break 100K later tonight, or it might take a few days more. But I know for sure, it's gonna break 100K at any time soon, guys. Definitely, it's gonna go up before it goes down. I see 100K be broken before we break 90K for sure. And then once it does break 100K, there's nothing but blue skies after that. I mean, it's basically into price discovery. There's no resistance up there. It'll be basically new all-time highs. So I think it's going to rally. It's going to rally fast. It'll probably get to like 110K sooner than later, and it could get as high as 120K. And there's a small chance it might rally all the way up to 130, 140K too. I do expect Bitcoin, sometime within the next week, maybe like within 7 to 8 days, to be between 120K and 140K. That's just because Bitcoin usually does a 100% move once it goes into price discovery in about 4 weeks. But 4 weeks is up today, so this time around it might be a little longer. It went into price discovery. It broke the previous all-time high of 73,600 in November 6th. So 4 weeks is actually this trading day, December 4th. So it hasn't done the 100% move yet. But usually history rhymes, but it's not exact. Last time it did it in about 4 weeks. The previous times it did it, actually the 2021 cycle it did it in 23 days, and in the 2017 cycle it did it in 28 days. So sometime between 23 to 28 days. But maybe this time it'll be like 35 days. So it might be 5 weeks this time. So that's why I'm giving it another week. See if it gets to somewhere around 120K and 140K. But for sure, I do believe that Bitcoin is gonna go higher than 100K anytime soon, guys. But again, guys, these are just my thoughts. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets the money you're willing to lose, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin. Everything looks good, just going sideways. Ever since the August 5th Black Monday low, we've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, 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 another higher high, another higher low, another higher high, another higher low. So now we've been going sideways, and I think shortly we'll be making another high, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. This is not the time to be bearish on Bitcoin. Let's see what the Bitcoin dominance is looking like. It is going down, guys. Current Bitcoin dominance is 55.20% on the Bitcoin dominance. I've been saying in my previous videos that I believe once it gets to 55% Bitcoin dominance or below, we'll begin the altcoin season. And we did, yesterday we did go as low as 54.56. So we dipped, we wicked below 55%. So that's why I think a lot of altcoins, have been popping off, and we rebound up to 55.19 at the time of recording right now. But we might be going lower. It looks like the Bitcoin dominance is just, on a free fall. So, if Bitcoin doesn't break through 100K and go to higher prices, we might just start the altcoin season sooner than later. I thought the altcoin season was going to be started, sometime in Christmas, like a true altcoin season, where everything's going up, 100% every day. But we've been seeing some coins go up like 50%, 70% a day. Like today, Tron is up 74%. Jasmy was up in 50% the other day. You get certain coins that are just starting to pop. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. If Bitcoin's gonna break through 100K and bring the Bitcoin dominance up, or Bitcoin's gonna keep consolidating. The altcoins are gonna keep popping, and it's gonna bring the Bitcoin dominance down. I mean, it's good either way because I hold Bitcoin and altcoins. So either way, I'm a win. So that's important. And hopefully, your altcoins are already popping off. And if not, like I said, don't be chasing green candles. Like Warren Buffett says, the transfer of wealth in the markets is transferred from the impatient to the patient. So just be patient, guys. Be patient at least until March of 2025, because I see nothing but bullish rallies for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies until March of 2025. But right around March of 2025, though, I do see bearish things coming for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But let's not talk about that right now. We're still in 2024, and right now it's the time to be happy. Right now it's the time to be bullish in the crypto market. So don't get bearish on me, guys. Everything is looking good. So let's get right into the XRP update, guys. See what XRP is doing. Current price of XRP at the time of recording is $2.56. Yesterday it did get, it did make a new high. It keeps making a higher high every day. The day, yesterday made a high of 290, and the day before that was 287. It was only 3 cents, but it's still a higher high. So and it did it did have like a 25% correction. It did go as low as $2 and let me see, it was what, $2.15 yesterday. So let me see, actually it corrected, it was actually less than that. So yeah, it did like a 30% correction. Yeah, it did like a 30% correction right around there. So yep, and then now it's bounced back already all the way up to 255. So there's a lot of volatility on XRP right now, but it's still looking very bullish. I mean, like I said, you're gonna see corrections on your favorite cryptocurrency. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Right now it's the parabolic phase, so it's very volatile. I mean, it goes up a lot and it goes down 20-30%. That's how they keep moving. They make new higher highs and they correct 20-30%. That's how they're gonna keep moving, guys. But but if you look at the XRP chart, it's very bullish ever since the November 5th presidential election. It's just been nothing but green candles. It's been mooning. I mean, if you would have bought it on the election day, it was at at 50 cents, about 50 cents. So you'd be up right now at the time of recording. You would be up at least no, 5x. If you would have bought it, during elections day or before that, you'd be up a 5x. In under a month, basically, because we're basically 30 days from November 5th. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP. I wouldn't fade XRP right now. This cycle is looking like a 2017 XRP cycle where it did a 600x in that cycle, on the 2017 cycle. I don't think it's going to do a 600x just because it's already at a massive market cap. But I do believe it could do, at least like a 100x from the low. The bear market low for XRP was 30 cents. So 100x would be about about $30. That's where I think it could at least do that. My price targets are somewhere between $15 and $20. But I do believe it could a $15 dollar XRP is like a 50x, which is still really good for a big cap. But just seeing how all the bullish news and how early we haven't even gotten into the true altcoin season. How XRP is moving. It could even do 100x from the bear market low and get to as high as $30. But I'm not going to try to guess on the XRP price because it's just been blowing my expectations. It keeps keeps going higher than expected. So I'm just going to wait till March of 2025. And see what the price is then, and I'm gonna sell like half my coins, in March 2025 before it corrects, before the big correction, and and lock in some gains, and I'll sell like half my coins, just to see if after the big correction it goes into higher prices. It might go into higher prices, or that might be the top in March 2025 for XRP. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Because on the 2017 cycle, it kept mooning all of the 2017, till the end of 2017, basically all year. And 2017 is basically going to be 2025. It's basically the last year for the Bitcoin crypto cycle. So, but on the 2021 cycle for XRP, it topped off in April of 2021. So what's 2025 going to look like for XRP? Is it going to be like 2021 where it tops off in around March or April of 2025, or is it going to be like the 2017 cycle where it keeps mooning all the way till the end of 2025, guys? So we'll have to wait and see, guys. I'm hoping it keeps mooning all 2025. I'm all for it. Hopefully we have a massive crypto cycle in 2025, guys. But there is a chance top might come in March or April of 2025. But we'll keep an eye on it and see what happens, guys. But from that right now, stay bullish on XRP. I do see XRP, making higher highs and going to new higher prices from now until March of 2025. Of course, there's going to be corrections along the way. Nothing goes up in a straight line. But it wouldn't surprise me if XRP makes a higher high today. It's been making a higher high every day since November 27th. It's been making a higher high every day. So it wouldn't surprise me if it goes above 290 today. My next price target for XRP is $3, and if it does break through $3, my next price target would be around $3.50, which is the current all-time high of XRP. I do see a lot of resistance there, because a lot of people who've been holding for 7 years, they probably want to sell out. People who bought the top $3.50 in the late 2017 and the first few days of January 2018, they're gonna want to sell their XRP at $3.50, just because they've been holding for so long. They just want their money back. Yeah, we'll wait and see, guys. So that's my next price target, $3 for XRP, which could happen tonight, on this trading day, December 4th, or and then if it breaks through that, my next price target would be $3.50, which is the current all-time high for XRP, guys. All right, guys, let's get into the XLM update. So yeah, stay bullish on XRP, guys, and let's get into XLM now. Current price of XLM at the time of recording is 51 cents. Looks like XLM just keeps consolidating, but the chart is still looking bullish. It's just consolidating between like 41 cents, and like 61 cents. the local top is 63 cents. XLM could break to the upside at any time. I mean, it's making like a bull flag right here. So it could break 63 cents at any time. If it does break 63 cents, I do see my next price target being around 73 cents, which is the 2021 top of XLM. So it'll probably have a little bit of resistance at 73 cents. And once it does break through 73 cents, then I see the next top coming in at 93 cents, which is the current all-time high of XLM and made in 2018. The late 2017 and early January of 2018, it made that top of 93 cents. So once it breaks through 73 cents, my next target would be 93 cents. But yeah, don't fade XLM, guys, because XLM runs the same as XRP. They pretty much run together. They rally together and they crash together. So right now they're in the rally mode during the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run. So I wouldn't be fading XRP or XLM right now. I do see XLM consolidating maybe another day or two, but it could break out at any time. It might break out tonight or tomorrow, guys. I mean, like I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you exactly when it's going to break out, but I know it's not going to break down. I think 41 cents is basically the local low, so I don't think it'll go below 41 cents. If it does consolidate for another day or two, it'll be between 41 cents and 63 cents. But that'll be the range, but it won't go below 41 cents. It's definitely going to go up and break through 63 cents at any time soon. So yeah, I do expect a new local high for XLM at any time. It'll probably tap 73 cents and maybe consolidate another day or two. Once it taps 73 cents, do a small correction, and then I'll be consolidating, and then I'll do another leg up to 93 cents. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XLM. It's bound to break to higher prices here at any time, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XLM, guys. Do not get bearish on XLM. Now let's go into the Jasmy update, guys. If you guys would have seen my video yesterday, I was telling you guys to in case you guys were looking for some projects that haven't ran yet or that still have a lot of potential. I was mentioning Jasmy and XCN, and Jasmy coin basically broke out. I broke out yesterday when I was filming the video. It was like at like under 3 cents, and now it's above 4 cents. It did get as high as 0.43. So it basically went up like 33% since the time I was recording yesterday. I told you guys Jasmy is a good project. It's not going to get rug pull. I mean, it's got all the tokens into circulation. It's the total supply is 50 billion on Jasmy, and circulating supplies the same, like 49.9 billion Jasmy. So it's basically 99% already of the tokens are in circulation. So the team's not going to dump on you guys. And the Jasmy team is the ex-executives of the Sony corporation. I mean, the Jasmy team are basically the executives that made Sony. So you know what they did with Sony. That's what I think they're going to do with Jasmy. I mean, they're Japanese executives, and those Japanese executives, those ex-Japanese Sony executives, I mean, they know how to market a product. They know how to follow through with the product, and they know how to make a product successful. That's what they did with the Sony corporation. So I think that's what they're going to do with Jasmy, guys. So that's why I'm very bullish on Jasmy. I hold a lot of Jasmy. Being transparent, all the projects I talk about, on the channels, because I hold them, guys. Just I'm being transparent. Nobody pays me. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm a really small channel, so nobody pays me, to sponsor, coins. And even if I got big, I'm not gonna take sponsorships. I'm not, because I want to have, I want to be able to say what I want to say. That I don't want to be, I don't want to sell myself out to a token or something like that. Especially if I don't believe in it. So if I talk about it in the channel, it's because I believe in it. I've researched it, and I think it has a lot of potential, guys. So definitely, nobody's buying me out. I'm just saying what's in my mind. Everything I say is what my thoughts. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so, guys. You guys have to learn to do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So yeah, guys, I still think there's a lot of potential in Jasmy, guys. Even though it's already up 33% up from yesterday when I made my video, I do believe Jasmy could get to $1. That's still like a 25x from the price of today, guys. So if for some reason, every dry powder I have, I'm investing into these coins that I like. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm saying if I had the dry market, some dry powder on the side, I would probably invest into something like Jasmy or XCN or Crow with Knife. They're still got small market caps and they have a lot of potential. So yeah, guys. Stay bullish on Jasmy. Jasmy, I do believe could at least get to $1 this cycle. So definitely stay bullish on Jasmy. My next price target for Jasmy, we already 0.44 is the last local high. We almost tapped it, so we're probably going to be consolidating underneath 0.44 maybe a day or two. And once we break through 0.044, my next price target is 0.08. Somewhere between 0.08 to a penny. There's a lot of resistance between 0.08 to a penny, but once it breaks, a penny. Once it breaks a penny and 2 cents, there's a lot of resistance between a penny and 2 cents also. But once it breaks past 2 cents, there's really no resistance. There's very low resistance. There was a lot of low volume and low resistance. Once we break past 2 cents, did I say 2 cents? Hold on a second. I meant 10 cents, guys. Okay, back up. Sorry about that, guys. Let me back up. I was confused. I was adding a 0 on Jasmy. Okay, I'm gonna back up. What I meant to say is once we break past 0.44, my next price target is 0.08 and 8 cents basically. And between 8 cents and 10 cents. That's what I meant to say. I meant to say 10 cents, not a penny. Sorry, guys. I was adding a 0 there. But yeah, so once we get my next price target is between 8 cents to 10 cents. And once we break past 10 cents, there is a little bit of resistance, around 10 or and 12 cents. But once we break past 12 cents, I do see there's hardly any resistance. I do see nothing but blue skies for Jasmy. So I do think we'll start going parabolic once we break 12 cents for Jasmy. That's why I think Jasmy could get as high as $1. Yeah, once we break 10 cents and 12 cents, guys, nothing but blue skies for Jasmy, and we'll probably see a parabolic move. And there's a lot of cool things going for Jasmy. Jasmy is in the medical field. They got medical companies on the blockchain. They got Panasonic partnerships. There's even talks that there might be an XRP Ripple partnership with Jasmy coin. Jasmy's the Bitcoin of Japan, and it's the only crypto in Japan that has clarity. So there's a lot of good things going for Jasmy, and also Hara, one of the team executives on Jasmy. He's saying that there's definitely a Sony PlayStation partnership coming. So definitely stay bullish on Jasmy, guys. There's gonna be a lot of big news, starting to come up, here in late December and early January for Jasmy. And also, I don't know if you know, but the Jasmy team, they want to do lockups because the way the Jasmy works is it's an Internet of Things data coin, which basically means they're going to be selling your data that Jasmy collects. They're going to have devices that have the Internet of Things Jasmy that collects data, but big corporations are going to want to pay for your data. But in order for them to pay for your data, they're going to have to hold Jasmy coins. So basically, if you hold Jasmy, you'll be making money because once when the big corporations buy Jasmy, those coins are going to be locked up. So the supply is going to go lower. So right now it's at 49.9 billion, but the Jasmy team wants to lock up like over like 50% of the supply. So their target is to get to as low as like 14 billion total supply. So I mean, just think about it right now. If the supply right now is 50 billion, if they're able to lock up the supply to 14 billion, that's gonna make your Jasmy coin moon. That's why the Jasmy team, they're saying that their target price is gonna be about $17 for Jasmy coin. And I'm sure it'll happen, and $17 will happen. I don't think it'll happen this bull run cycle, but maybe next bull run cycle will hit $17. Sometime in 2029. Right around there. But I don't think it'll happen this bull run cycle. I think this bull run cycle we could at least hit $1, maybe $2, but at least $1 for Jasmy. But basically what I'm trying to say is there's a lot of bullish things coming from Jasmy. A lot of big partnerships. They're gonna lock up coins. Get the total supply down from 50 billion to 14 billion. So that's gonna skyrocket the price of Jasmy, guys. And also Binance right now, I don't know if you know, but Binance right now has Jasmy on the monitoring zone. But basically there's rumors that Binance is going to take Jasmy out of the monitoring zone. So when that happens, that's going to be very bullish news for Jasmy. So I think I just think Jasmy is going to moon, guys. Is what I'm trying to let you guys know. Maybe I didn't explain it as well as I wanted to, but just to summarize, I think Jasmy is going to moon. I think it's going to get to at least $1. But just like XRP, it might surpass my expectation and maybe even get to like $2, guys, or at least $1.50. But for sure, I think it could get to $1. So that's where I'll be selling half of my Jasmy coins around $1. And then I'll probably save half of my other Jasmy for higher prices, guys. But yeah, guys, I just love Jasmy. Do your research on Jasmy. I think you guys will like it too. If I had some dry powder on the side right now, I would definitely look into Jasmy, XCN, or Crowit Knife. Now let's get into XCN, guys. Another one, my favorites here. I like it because it's small market cap, and still a small market cap, and it has a lot of potential on it. It did moon yesterday. I was talking about it. It was like right at 2 cents, and then it mooned all the way up to 0.029, basically 3 cents. So it went up a cent. It went up like 50%. Yeah, it went up like 50%. It's retraced already up down to 259, but that's just the way they move. That's what the coins do. They go up and they go down. Nothing goes up in a straight line. But just like all the other charts, since November 5th, nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and a higher low. So it's probably just getting ready to make another high. I expect Jasmy to go above 3 cents here at any time soon. It looks like it started to move. My next price target for XCN is around 0.044. That was the local high it made. I think it made it like in quarter, like either in March or April, I believe it made that 0.044 local high. So that's my next price target. It'll probably tap 0.0044, and then probably retrace small correction from there, consolidate a little bit, and then I'll go into higher prices. Just like Jasmy, my next price target for XCN after it breaks through 0.044 is about 0.08, somewhere between 0.08 to a penny, and then once it breaks a penny, I do see XCN going into blue skies and start mooning from there. That's where I got confused when I was talking about Jasmy a penny, because I think I was thinking about XCN, because their numbers are similar, except XCN has one more zero on top of it. So yeah, guys, just to summarize, my next price target for XCN is about 0.004, and then once it breaks through 0.004 is 0.008, somewhere between 0.008 and a penny. And then once it breaks past a penny, I do see it mooning. I don't see much resistance after that. And my price target, my local at the top of the bull run, I do see XCN at least getting to 10 cents, but realistically, more like higher than that. So my bearish case scenario for XEN is somewhere between 10 cents to 20 cents. So I mean, that's still like a good 50x from the prices today. And if I had some dry powder on the side, I might want to invest in XCN. But I do think XCN could get as high as like 50 cents at the top of the bull run. Like if we have a massive bull run, like Bitcoin, gets to like 250K or higher, I do see XCN going to 50 cents. So I mean, that would be like, that would be over 100x, guys, if it got to like 50 cents. But realistically speaking, I do see XCN at least getting somewhere between 10 cents and 20 cents, which is about a 50x, right around there, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XCN. The XCN is a DeFi protocol project. It's got a lot of heavy backers behind it. It's got the Nasdaq stock market is behind it, and also Visa is a heavy investor in it. So definitely a lot of heavy backers behind it. So I wouldn't be fading XCN. It's got a low market cap still, and I do see it getting to somewhere between 10 cents and 20 cents, guys. So definitely look into XCN if you still have some dry powder on the side, and maybe looking for some good gains on this crypto bull run, guys. All right, guys, let's get into the Avalanche update. Another one of my favorites. Can't fade Avalanche. And it's the #1 gaming blockchain. It's a real world asset blockchain. I mean, the California DMV put all its vehicle titles on Avalanche blockchain. I mean, off the grid, the Web3 game, the #1 Web3 game of the year is on Avalanche. It's got like a bunch of Avalanche games. There's a lot of games on Avalanche blockchain. And I don't know if you know or not too, but Avax, they just came out with the Avalanche 9000. Now all developers anybody could develop on Avalanche for like cheap. Before you needed like thousands and hundreds of thousands to make a layer 1 Avalanche, but now with just like a couple $1,000 or less, you could create a layer 1 on Avalanche, guys. They made it that cheap and that easy with the Avalanche 9000 mainnet that just came out. I think it's on testnet right now, but I think on December 16th the mainnet comes out, and that's why I think Avalanche is about to run. I think Avalanche is about to go parabolic because it's got a lot of bullish things coming for it. I mean, JP Morgan's got a private blockchain on it. It's going to be used by by banks, by Swift. So it's got a lot of real world asset use on it. I mean, it's a #1 gaming crypto blockchain. So definitely don't miss out on Avax, guys. A lot of bullish things coming for it. Current price of Avalanche right now is $52.46. It did go as high as $65 on March 18, guys. So that's my next price target is $65. But it's just this is the weekly chart. Look at this, every week nothing but green candles for every week on Avalanche. It just keeps going up ever since the elections the presidential USA elections November 5th, guys. And once we break through $65, my next price target is right around like $100 basically. Looks like there's a lot of resistance right here between like $90 and $100. So that would be my next price target, somewhere between $90 and $100 once it breaks 65. And then after that, looks like there's a lot of resistance right around like $125. That will be the next price target after that. But yeah, let's focus on breaking 65 first. So yeah, I'm pretty sure Avalanche is about to rally to $65 here at any day now, especially if Bitcoin keeps going sideways. I think Avax is going to rally to 65. It's going to tap 65, which is its current local top, probably retrace, correct a little bit, and then go sideways a little bit, and then get ready for the next leg up. Once it breaks $65, I do think it'll be the next price target will be in the 90s, somewhere between $90 and $100, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Avalanche. You can't fade Avalanche. I think the Avax blockchain is going to be a staple name. It's going to be a staple blockchain. It's going to be around for a long time, maybe forever. Definitely, I think it's going to be one of the chosen ones that's going to be around forever. Just like Bitcoin and Ethereum are already chosen blockchains, I think Avalanche, Solana, XRP, XLM, those those 6 blockchains are going to be around forever. They're going to be they're like some of the top 6 chosen blockchains are going to be around. So that was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, XRP, and XLM. I think they're going to be around for a long time, and I don't think they're going to go anywhere. I don't think they're going to go to zero, and they're not going to crash. They're not going to get rug pull, guys. So stay bullish on Avax, guys. Let's go into Crow with Knife, guys. This is one that I recommend. If you're like late to the game, you're barely getting into crypto, you haven't invested at all in crypto. Besides Jasmy and XCN, for low market cap, higher gains. Crow with Knife would be the one with the lowest market cap. I think it's about like in the 36 million market cap or something like that right now, 35 or something like that. Million market cap, and it's a very popular meme coin. It's on the Kronos blockchain. It's the #1 meme coin on the CRO blockchain. CRO token is basically the token for crypto.com. And Crow with Knife CAW ticker is basically the #1 meme coin on the CRO blockchain, guys. So definitely don't miss out on Crow with Knife. It's basically, this is your last chance to get in. It's giving you another opportunity. It's a new coin. It came out, like in March, April of 2024. It rallied up really hard, just like all meme coins do when they first come out, to 6015, and then it's been crashing ever since. It crashed all the way down to 7026 on the Black Monday low, August 5th, and then it's just been going sideways between 7025 and like basically 7085. It's just been going sideways, guys, and right now it's at 7043. So definitely, you're pretty much you're only like 300% up from the all-time low. The all-time low of Crow with Knife is 809. So you're only about 300% up from the all-time low. That's really good for a meme coins, because most meme coins, if they're really popular, they at least doing a 100x from their all-time low. So 100x from 809 will be at least 609. So that would be some good gains. Yeah, right now it's at 704. So that would be like a 10. Would be like, at least guaranteed like at least a 25x. But I think Crow with Knife is gonna do more than that. I think at the top of the bull run, Crow with Knife could get to at least like a $30 billion market cap. And right now it's like a $35 million market cap. So if we could get to like a $30 billion market cap, that's almost like that's almost 1,000x, guys. At $35 billion market cap would be 1,000x from the price of today, but I think it could at least get to a $30 billion market cap. So I think it could do at least bare minimum 100x from the price of today. It could even do like more than that, maybe 500x or higher, Crow with Knife. But I'm just being conservative. I think it could do at least 100x from the price of today. So I think it could at least lose 2 zeros. And at the top of the bull run, and be around 504, because right now it's at 704. So I think it could at least get to 5 zeros and 4. So that would be like a 100x from the price today, guys. But really, I think it's going to go higher than that. But I'm just being conservative. I think it could at least get to 504. So that would be losing 2 zeros from the price of today, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, don't miss out on Crow with Knife, guys. The #1 meme coin on the Kronos blockchain, guys, on the CRO token blockchain, which is the crypto.com token. And we all know crypto.com. They've been marketing heavily. Their total value logs has been increasing. Their traffic on their crypto.com app has been increasing. They're all over the world. They're global. So yeah, don't miss out on crypto.com and the CRO token or the CAW, the Crow with Knife meme coin, #1 meme coin on the Kronos blockchain, because I do think crypto.com, CRO token, and the CAW meme coin, they're gonna do really good this cycle, guys. Don't miss out on the CAW, guys, Crow with Knife, guys. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do this update for you guys. Stay bullish on the market. Um, you know, have conviction on your cryptocurrency that you're holding. I mean, as long as it's got fundamental, like they got fundamentals behind it. They've been working. Been building on the bear market. They've been they have a big community. Nothing should go wrong. They're not going to crash. Like 99% of the cryptocurrencies are going to go parabolic when the true altcoin season starts, which is at any time. Could be at any time now. Could be by the end of the year or beginning of 2025. You already see a lot of altcoins popping. So yeah, don't be chasing green candles, guys. Just have conviction on your cryptocurrencies that you're holding. They are gonna get their turn. They are gonna run eventually, guys. Some are gonna run before others. Like last cycle, the Chronos, the CRO token, and its ecosystem was one of the last blockchains to run. So that's why I think that's why Crow with Knife right now is still a very good deal, because it's been last cycle it was one of the last ones to run, and I think it's gonna be the same. So definitely keep an eye out on the Chronos blockchain, because it might be one of the late bloomers. So if you get if every dry powder I get, I might invest into my Crow and Knife or the CRO ecosystem, because I know it's gonna be a late bloomer, or his. I don't really know. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but history shows it's a late bloomer. So the CRO token and its ecosystem, like Crow and Knife and other meme coins, they're probably going to be late bloomers too. So just a little tip, in case you're wondering what to invest in to bigger gains, that might be a good idea, guys. But again, guys, I'm not a financial investor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. All right, guys. Yeah, guys. Just wanted to go over this update with you guys. You guys have a good day. Have conviction on your cryptocurrencies. Stay strong. Don't get bearish on the market or on crypto. This is not the time to be bearish. We're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So stay bullish, guys. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off. And I'll see you in the next one.